Good morning, students. So we were on exercise first C and we are going to solve some of the questions of this exercise. So I will explain this through some sums. So here question number 3, the number of books sold by a bookstore in the year 2012 was 16,57,329. So in 2012 how many books was sold? 16,57,329. In the next year the number of books sold increased by 7,82,315. So in 2012 how many books was sold? 16,57,329. And in the next year means in the year 2013. After 2012, which year? 2013. So the books was increased by 7,82,315. Increased, not sold. Increased. How many books were sold in the year 2013? So total how many books were sold in 2013 and how many books were sold during these 2 years? So what you have to find? You have to find that how many books were sold in 2013 plus how many books were sold in both the year, that is 2012 as well as 2013. Okay. So first, books sold in 2012, how many books were sold? This much. Then the numbers of books were increased. So if something is increased, what we have to do? We have to add. For example, in 2012 the shopkeeper sold 5 pencils. So in 2012 how much increment was there? 2. So total how many pencils he sold? 2 pencils were increased. That means how many pencils he have sold? Total 7 pencils he have sold. Like that you have to do. So in 2012 16,57,329 books were sold, but in 2013 it was increased. So what we will do? We will add 7,82,315. So how many books were sold in 2013? We will add and we will get 24,39,644 in the year 2013. So the next part is that how many books were sold in the 2 years, that means 2012 and 2013. So in 2012 how many books were sold? 16,57,329. And 2013 how many books were sold? 24,39,644. So in both the years how many books were sold? We will add it and we will get how much were sold? 40,96,973. Understood? Now next question. A number exceeds this much by this much, find the number. So a number is what? Greater than this much, and by how much? This much. So first what we will consider? Let the number be x. Okay. So the number is greater, exceeds. So x minus how much? 4,29,73,858. By how much? By this much. 78,99,305. So how you will write? X minus equals itna. Okay. Now the value of this is negative. Yes. So if it will shift to RHS, then the sign will change and it will become positive. So what you will do? You will add both the numbers and what you will get? This. So this is the number. So how much greater is the number? If you will subtract this from this, what you will get? You will get this. Once again I am repeating it. A number exceeds, that means a number is greater to this value, and if you will subtract this number by this, you will get this value. Understood? So this way you will get the answer. Next, the total population of a city is 3,49,27,801. So total population is given. Total means, for example, the total population of Jangirabat is given. Okay, or you can take any example. If the number of males is this much, so find the number of females in the city. For example, in class, total students are there how much? 40 total. Okay, so boys are also there and girls are also there. So boys are given how much? 30. So how much girls are left in your class? How many girls are there? What you will do? From this total population you will subtract what? 30. So 40 minus 30, how many girls are there? 10. Similarly, in this case, total population of a city is given as well as the number of males are given. What you have to find? The number of females. So what you will do? You will subtract number of males from total population and you will get what? Total number of males in the city. Understood? So what is given here? Just see. 3,49,27,801 is given the total population. That means total students are given 40 and how many boys are there? 30. So how many girls will be there? 10. Yes or no? So similarly, how you will find? Total population is given, number of males is given, how much? 1,83,52,017. So you will subtract number of males from total population and you will get the number of females in the city. Now next. A man had this much rupees with him. So how many rupees are there with man? This much. He gave this much to his wife, this much to his daughter and the rest to his son. How much money did his son receive? So the total money the man is having is this much. So what is the total money? Just tell me. 1,12,65,278. So from this money he gave this much to his wife. How much? This much. 75,32,225 and this much money to his daughter. How much? 12,27,373. Rest means the remaining he gave to his son, the remaining money. So how much money the son receive? First what you will do? First you will add the money the man gave to wife and to daughter. Okay, the total money the man is having is this much. Out of this, how much was given to wife? This one. And daughter this much. So you will add both the monies given to daughter and wife. So how much money was given to daughter and wife? Just add it. You will get 87,59,598. Then how much money is received by son? So what was the total money? 1,12,65,278. And how much money was given to wife and daughter? 87,59,598. So if you will subtract the money given to daughter and wife from the total money the man is having, so what you will get? The remaining money which is received by the son. That is 25,05,680. Understood? Next, a dairy had 725 liter of milk with it. So total milk a dairy is having 725 liter. It sold 678 liter and 250 milliliter of milk. So total how much milk is there? 725 liter. And out of this much milk, how much milk was sold? This much. How much milk was left with it? So left, as you know very well, in lower classes you have studied that if in the question it is asked left, so what you have to do? You have to subtract that from total this much money milk was sold, so how much was left? For example, you are having 10 pence. You gave 8 pence to friend. How much pence were left with you? 2. Yes or no? Similarly, like that you have to do. So a dairy had milk how much? 725 liter. So milliliter is not given, so we will add 0. and how much milk was sold? 678 liter and 250 milliliter. Just subtract it, you will get how much milk was left? 46 liter and 750 milliliter. Thank you.